Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to do a records run for the Foz, and we're going to put the mounting tabs on the catch can. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to head over to Pick a Part in Kilsyth. They have a Forester, so GT Forester as well. So let's check it out. Alrighty guys, I'm at a Pick a Part. It's actually quite busy today, so we'll get in there and hopefully the oil filler neck is still there. You serious? Well, that sucked. I got it! Alright, I'll do a little quick run up the mountain, then head home. So we've got some tourists in front of us. They're going pretty slow, about 50 k's, 60. Oh well, it's a nice drive. There's my cousin. Alright, I'm back. She's a little bit dirty, so I'm going to clean her up and get her on a bit later. Got a couple of other things I need to do today. I'm going to be changing, we're doing a DSG service on Mrs. Golf, so it'll be a different episode. I don't know if it's already out yet or it'll be the next one, but we're doing that today. So I'm going to head over to my dad's place because he's got the actual kit. I've got the fluid here and we'll get it done. Alright, so I'm just going to get a pick, get this O-ring off, and we'll clean it up. I can't believe I've actually got this bracket. I haven't had it on the car for probably 4 years, 3 or 4 years. Since I did the top mount. Because I broke it like here. Well, it already had a crack. I had a crack when I did the radiator, which was 6 years ago maybe. Alright, I'm actually just gonna take this off and put the original on nice and clean. There it is. Nice and clean, like new. I don't think I had that bracket on mine, which would probably be the reason why it broke. Anyway, I'll get this off and get that back on. Finally. What's 710? Wow, look at the difference in the yellow compared to all my other ones. I do have that around somewhere. It might even still be at my parents' place. Good thing I'm heading over there soon. Alrighty guys, finally got back into the garage. Catch can. We need to do the mounting tabs for that. So we've got 3. So 1 under here and 2 here. And we'll have to put it in there, measure it up. And I might actually make this line, this straight one on there, so you can see if it fouls on anything else, with how far we can move it. Alright, we have that line made. Pretty happy with that. Not happy with the end there, but it's kind of hidden by this. Just needs a few more turns. Without a vise, it's just so hard with 2 adjustables. Yeah, comes around and goes onto there. So that's that side done. I don't think I've shown you this. I might run it like that. That's the for the scavenger pump. I'm going to breathe for that. I'm just going to have to put it onto that. Right, so I'm pretty happy with how that's sitting. Maybe out there. I'll square it up with this panel here. Looks alright. Now work out how I'm going to do the mounts. I am over here. I'm getting the scavenger pump out so I can mount this tab onto this mount here. So probably use a riv nut. So I've got to get that out so I can get the nut in there. So just gonna alright, I'll keep going. Come back when that's out. Alright, got the scavenger pump on the bench, marked where I'm going to put the hole. So smoke a hole there, and another one here. We'll get that mounted. Alright, so I've got a hole there, got the hole there. Need to do the rivets, but I've been summoned to go inside, so I'll be back later. Well, that didn't go as planned. It's now the next day. We need to put this riv nut in here, so we'll do that. Right, riv nut is in. Well, it's actually color coded. And she goes in. So then this should be able to go into there. Well, I'm back. It's 9:15 now, so let's have a go. I ended up cutting that out. No, it's not in the middle. But maybe if I flip it that way. I think I might have cut it just a little bit too short, or this hole was down a little bit too far. So mark what's on the little water reservoir thing, which I'll show you. Like here. Yeah, just a stud and the nut, but we'll have a bolt and we'll have 2 at the top, 1 down the bottom. So this will just slide over it. And I can do it up. I wasn't even looking at it, was I? This can just slide over it. And I can adjust the height. So, yeah. I'll bolt the scavenger pump back in because that's all we need to do there. And we'll do the top ones. Just going to send it tonight and do a couple of quick cuts on this length here. So hopefully I can weld it up. Might not get the little gussets or the 90-degree triangles in the corners for some strength, but I'll get the L bracket going. Alrighty guys, just setting up the catch can. So I've got the mount down here, and I've got it level. Let's see if I've got it level the other way. Probably not. So it needs to come up a little bit. Actually, that's alright. It's running towards the back. Okay boys, made my bracket on the magnet. Should be definitely a true 90 degrees. So I did this one first. So I didn't weld it to it. Look. Cut it off. There's my 90 degrees. Nice weld. This one's going to be hot. Whew. Magnet's hot too. 90 degrees. Good weld. Yeah. So 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters, 40 mil, 40 mil. So that shouldn't break. That's a pretty good weld. On the back side, as you can see. Alright, tacked these 2 mounting tabs on. Now I need to head it over to the bench and fully weld it. Alright guys, finally finished the mounts. Well, kind of, not really. I need to put some holes in there to bolt through. Except for this one. This one's done. Yeah. Really, the only thing I need to do now is to clean it up a bit. And I was going to paint it black. So, what do you guys think? It's not the best welds. But anyways. It'll do the job. Hopefully. So with this one, I actually did a weld underneath. Yeah. Alright, I got a riv nut in that hole that was there. So we're going to make another hole. But I don't think I've got another riv nut that size. Nope, I'm all out. I need to go shopping for riv nuts. I need like M8s and M10s and 12s, so yeah. Make sure I get the hole right on that bracket. On this one. So for now, I'll just drill a hole in this one, and we'll leave this one for later. There's one, but I stuffed it. And yeah, a couple of scenes ago you would have seen one here. That was actually the one that I just put in, so that was not a spare one. And there we have it guys, we have it mounted. It's not resting on the scavenger pump anymore, and it's pretty solid. I really didn't need that bracket there, but looks better. They're both 5 centimeters in. Yeah, we've got that one down there. It's all tight as well. So ain't going anywhere. And you've got some OEM bolts there, color coded, that's chipped off. I think they're actually old bonnet ones. Oh, had 2 red bonnets. Anyway, need to run the lines. So we've got this one pretty much done. Just needs to be put in a vise and tightened up just a little bit more. Boop. run this one just to here, so it'll be nice and easy. And then we got the crankcase, and then to the intake, which I haven't done yet. So nice and easy. That'll go there. All the pieces are here. But might do the hoses on another episode, guys. It's starting to get a bit late. It's 10:15, and yeah, I'll leave it here. I'm glad I finally got that mounted. I've been trying to do that for a couple of weeks now, I reckon. But yeah, if you like it, and if you think I should paint it black, comment down below, guys. Alrighty guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.